In last week's lesson, we discussed grammatical interpretation of the scriptures, and in the lessons there, we've been talking about the three areas of a grammatical study. Number one, a lexical study, and we've discussed that last week. We've also been discussing syntactical studies, a syntactical study of the scripture. That's sentence structure. So lexical study is the study of words. And there's where we go to a dictionary to find a range of meanings. And we also go to the dictionary to find the part of speech that a word is. And when we find the part of speech of a word, that helps us do the syntactical study that we also talked about last week. And the syntactical study is a study of sentence structure, where we find the independent clause and those subordinating clauses that modify that independent clause. And so we need to know what a conjunction is and what a subordinating conjunction is. And there's where the lexical and the dictionary helps us find those parts of speech. So we studied the lexical study and the syntactical study. This week we're going to spend some time on morphology. That's how words change. And words change. Nouns change and verbs change. For instance, when I say I looked at the book, that means in the past. But if I say I am looking at the book, the word look changes. Looked, past, looking, present. So that word look changed. I will look is future. I shall look. That verb has changed. The word look changes. So there are changes in nouns and verbs, and this is a study of morphology. And when we're doing a word study and a dictionary study, and we're doing these studies in Scripture, when we're doing grammatical interpretation, we have to bring into bear the morphology of a word. And that's what's called a morphological study. So we're going to spend time talking about a morphological study. In this lecture today, you're going to be looking at a lecture video, this one, and then another PowerPoint video that I will have. And then also, you're going to be looking at another lecture video from the Asia Pacific Nazarene Theological Seminary. I also have on this lesson a link for some grammatical study aids that will help you in your grammatical studies, and also some helpful reference tools for biblical studies, and you'll see that on the site there. This week's lesson will also involve another quiz that is a 500-word essay. So enjoyed having you. Remember, I'm always praying for you, and God bless you.